Hey y'all, hey, welcome to episode 1 of our nesting series. I wanted to take y'all through this because I want to show y'all not just us preparing for our baby to get here, but for us preparing our home. I'm also going to be showing y'all a few items, as y'all can see, what my family has bought us so far. So let's get into it. First things first, everybody want to know, what did everybody get my baby? What has everybody gotten my baby? Y'all, my family has been so excited about my baby, and I cannot be more excited myself because it's just a warming feeling to know that you're bringing life into the world and that you have a support system that is immaculate. So that's one thing I can genuinely say. I thank God for my village. Okay, amen to that. Can we get an amen? Okay, so for the gift, my sister actually got my baby this, and y'all, it is so stinking cute. This little Nike onesie, and this gonna come in handy because my baby is actually due in December. Now, if you're a true supporter, you would have watched my last video to know that I'm having a baby girl. I won't disclose her name to y'all just yet. I'll probably wait till after the baby shower to tell y'all. I don't know. We have this little onesie. She has a lot of onesies like this, like the long sleeve and stuff, which I'm glad because y'all, like I said, my baby is coming around the holidays and it's stupid cold in Alabama. If y'all from the South, baby, y'all know. And this is just a few things, like people have bought things off of our registry and stuff like that. So yeah, no need to get your panties in a bunch. Y'all, this little set was so freaking cute. OMG, I can't wait to dress my baby up. And then look at the little ears on the jacket. How cute is that? This set, I love little like baby shoes. I love those. Onesies. My baby got so many onesies. I'm so thankful for it. This little set here with the top, that's more like spring, summer, fall. Only the real people know what that means. This set I love. Gotta have that baby some thermals, y'all. Y'all put these babies on some clothes, like for real. Put these babies on some clothes. It's getting cool outside. That's why they nose and stuff running. This, and I also want to have my baby switch out a few times for Christmas, I believe, so we can get pictures and all of this stuff because my boyfriend's mom bought the whole family pajamas. Y'all, they're so freaking cute, and I can't wait to like coordinate it in like how we do the decor in the house and stuff. It's gonna be so cute. Got my baby a jean jacket. Oh, we have here, so freaking cute and so snuggly, like for real. And then this is so cute, so freaking cute. Then we have some little I was gonna say booties, but like I don't even know what you would call these, but they're just so freaking cute and so tiny. I love it. And then my sister bought her some house shoes. How cute. And some towels. I actually love these towels, especially for babies, because their skin is so soft. So these are the microfiber towels, and I love these for myself. I like to clean with this type of towel. I like to shampoo my hair and use these type of towels. So microfiber, y'all better get in with it, boo. My friend bought her this little set. If y'all can see, it has a bodysuit, pants, blanket, headband, socks, and then a footed coverall. So yes, this is so cute. And again, y'all, this is just stuff that they had already bought, like just since we found out, but got the pacifiers. And I actually love these, y'all. Do y'all research on certain things before giving them to y'all babies. I have been researching, and I follow a few doctors who recommend these type of pacifiers. So I'm so glad my family bought these. And just like, y'all, for real, having a baby is like, when they say it's no handbook, that is so true. Because people have been asking me like what kind of bottles I want, what this, what that. And I just feel like I won't know everything until my baby actually get here and we test some things out. However, I have done a lot of research when it comes to pacifiers, bottles, like the oral development of the baby's mouth, making sure that the bottles don't have, like it gets a lot of air in, so my baby won't get air and stuff in their stomach. The types of detergent, because their skin is so, you know, fragile and things like that. So I have done all sensitive skin stuff with no scent. I did look into the Dr. Brown's bottles, but y'all, I'm gonna keep it a bean with y'all. That thing has too many parts. I ain't finna do that. I'm not finna be doing that. I'm not finna keep up with that. I'm not finna have my baby in distress, me in distress, or my boyfriend in distress. So no, it's enough for me. But I'm gonna put y'all on another gem. So just hold down. The cleaning supplies, y'all. If y'all want some real good, high quality cleaning supplies, I'm talking about your Scrub Daddy, the pink stuff. I don't even know what this brand is called, but I use it a lot for our stove because we have that like glass stove top. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And girl, it just gets so messy sometimes. Like any little thing you spill on it, it's done for. So I got this from Marshall's, y'all. $7, okay? $7. Like, this stuff is really good, and I love getting my cleaning supplies from Marshall's. And then I also got a microfiber mop because I'm gonna go through and mop the walls with some cleaning supplies and some Fabuloso, just so it can give it that fresh, clean smell, and then I can get in those crevices where I'm not able to reach. So we finna go ahead and get into cleaning. I think I'm gonna start off with our bedroom first because we have a lot of laundry that I need to get into. And y'all bear with us, sister, because I told y'all I've been pregnant. I literally just been able to really get in the house and deep clean, cook, and do the things that I used to. So bear with us, sister. Don't judge me, okay? I'm not here to judge y'all, so don't judge me, okay? Period. Now let's get into the cleaning. Alrighty, so I start off with the easier task for me, which is folding and hanging up clothes. So I have 2 full baskets of clothes, okay? Bear with the sister. Nobody talks about how it is dating a blue collar man. It's great, don't get me wrong. But the washing is truly something to talk about. Like, I can never get his clothes squeaky clean no matter what I use. And I saw that this girl on TikTok took her husband's clothes to like a handheld car wash and pressure washed it. That's what I'm gonna have to do because y'all, his clothes, no matter what I do, his clothes will never get clean. It don't matter how many times what I put in there, it's never getting clean. Like, it gets clean, but the spots in the clothes just don't come out. So all right, y'all, so I'm just about done with the first basket. I have about 2 or 3 more shirts, as y'all can see here. That's about done. So I got another basket, and then I have some whites in the washer that I forgot about. So I'm just tackling through these as fast as I can, and I'm gonna do as much as I can in our bedroom today, so that way tomorrow I can move on to the bathroom and to our actual closet in our bedroom. Well, anyway, to our closet, because whatever. And I'm gonna work my way around to the more common areas like our living room, the kitchen, and the little space that our baby will be in for the time being. Well, her stuff, I should say, because I don't know if I'm really gonna be like leaving my baby unattended. I need my baby right there so I can see her. See y'all once I get done folding all these clothes. Don't act like y'all ain't know that girl worked that Tommy Hilfiger, okay? Period. So this is how I like to fold my clothes in the drawer. As y'all can see, his clothes are over there. And baby, if it ain't done right like this, like y'all, I told y'all I'm a little OCD. So yeah. All right, so I've already finished the first basket, and now I remember that the second basket was just clothes that needed to be hung up. So I have a basket full of hangers that I have in place for stuff like this. So I'm going to hang those up, and then I'll come back and let y'all know. And I feel like I'm getting through this so fast because y'all, I'm watching Reasonable Doubt, and if y'all ain't watched it, y'all should go watch it. This ain't no paid promo or none of that, but y'all should go watch it. Okay, thank you. Alright, y'all, so by this point I had already finished folding up all the clothes out the basket and hanging up the clothes. So I started decluttering some stuff. So I started with first this drawer full of nothing but swimsuits. Y'all, I had swimsuits that was brand new, swimsuits that ain't never been worn, swimsuits that just been sitting there collecting dust. And y'all, really, that's the first step to actually organizing. It's really decluttering. And that's why you really can't think straight for real, because it's filled with clutter in your house. Y'all start going through that stuff y'all ain't used. Just throw it away. And that's what my mom used to do to me. Like, if you ain't used it in a while, baby, it's going in the trash because you don't need it. And as I stated before, don't judge me and I won't judge you. So I started by cleaning off these nightstands and putting everything where it goes. Cleaning this off with some furniture polish, and then going in with my microfiber mop, getting everything out the way and wiping down those baseboards so I could prepare to mop this place clean. And these were the finishing results for day 1. Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to, I think this is day 2 of my nesting vlog for episode 1. I'm so sorry y'all that I've been taking forever with this, but y'all, I'm a mom and this baby sucks out all my energy. So I finally had the energy today to get up and go to Target and get a few cleaning supplies, get some stuff so I can wash the baby clothes. Now I'm headed to Marshall's. I do want to look at their Christmas decor, and I also want to look at just a few things for me as well. I got some stuff from Target, y'all. I spent $50 on probably, like, I don't even think it was 10 items. The economy is crazy, but y'all know what I say about mindset. It's all about the mindset. So I thank God that I am able to go in Target and spend $50 to get stuff to clean my home that God has blessed us with. So we're gonna go in Marshall's and see what they have, y'all. And it wouldn't be me if both of my phones went dead, y'all. I left my work phone in the car last night, so that phone has about 10%, and my other phone is on 1%. And I just know my boyfriend is gonna be livid if I don't text him back. So finna run in here real quick. Like, I ain't even gonna do too much. I'm running here real fast, and then I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx because we gotta get some candles, and I also want to look at their decor as well for Christmas. I think I want to do like black, navy blue, and gold for our Christmas decor, just so it can coincide with our Christmas pajamas and stuff. So yeah, we're going in Marshall's. And this is the exact reason why no one could ever make me hate Marshalls or TJ Maxx. They have everything you need, from skincare to makeup to perfume to body care to skincare to organizers, clothes, shoes, decor, pajamas, cleaning supplies. You name it, baby, they got it. And they got it for a hell of a deal. So that's why I love to come in here and just see the things that they have. Because they always have something that I could possibly use for a very affordable price. So yeah, I done made it all the way to TJ Maxx, and both of my phones are completely dead. I have one of them sitting on a charger, but I think I'm just finna go home because my card is actually on my phone. I don't have the hard copy, so I think I'm finna just go home and start cleaning, and then come back here another day and get what it is I'm trying to get out of here, because yeah. Alright y'all, so my phone actually came on as soon as I said I was finna go home. So I got my little goodies from TJ Maxx, and your girl is finna go home, and then we're gonna I'm gonna show y'all everything I got. You guys, this is everything I got from the store. Now that I'm back, I just got a few things, nothing too major. And like I said, I'm really trying to tap back into just being that girl for myself and also taking care of what God has already blessed me with. So first things first, we finna wash my baby clothes, and this is the detergent that I was recommended when it comes to washing your baby clothes. So I already used Tide, but I'm going this is free and gentle, so it's not scented or anything like that, so it's not harmful to the baby's skin or nothing. So I'm finna go ahead and wash her clothes, and yeah. Okay, next thing is these dang, these changeable mop heads. I bought these it's a 2-pack, and that's the only reason I bought it, because they had 15 bucks for this. No thank you, but I bought this because we definitely needed a new mop head for our thing, and I can actually wash this one, so that's a plus. And I'm going to go in our bedroom, mop the walls and all that good stuff, get it smelling real good in there, baby. Dang it. So I already took off the mop head from the previous one, so all you do is just take this one like that right there. And y'all, this ain't sponsored, even though, you know, I stand firmly behind this cleaning mop. You just take this just like that and clip it right on, boo. All right, and then I need to clean this off. I'm gonna clean it too. Clean this, but there you go. And then boom, I can pop this in the washer and stuff if I want to, whatever, and clean. So we finna get into the nitty gritty. Y'all, wash them walls and the baseboards. That's why your house stink. Okay, y'all, so off camera I went ahead and finished tidying up our bedroom. So, and I'm so tired, y'all, and I'm hot, but I finished tidying up our bedroom, and I'm gonna take a break, and then I'm gonna head to the bathroom, and I'm gonna make like a mood board for what I want in here, because I thought our headboard was too high for me to put like some wall art up there, but it's not. I could put something right there, but it won't be too big, but that's fine. Then I wanted to put wall art above our nightstand, but I think I'm gonna put like some small mirrors right there, and then like a light fixture over it. Get us some organizers on the actual nightstand with a little bit of decor, and then upgrade our bedding. So yeah, I'll see y'all once I get to cleaning the bathroom, because your girl is tired. Okay, I'll see y'all in the next clip. Mwah.